Hey everyone, Hasher from Hashtag and welcome back to my channel. So Sony's high-end phone plans to launch in 2020 with Snapdragon 865 SoC. According to some reports, it will launch at MWC 2020 in Barcelona. A new flagship Sony Xperia headset will adopt a punch-hole camera which we have seen on the Galaxy Note 10 series. Also, the company will break the tradition and finally ditch the camera strap at the top of the display that has been seen on all the Xperia smartphones. The Xperia 1.1 or Xperia 2 is the device that comes with a 21:9 aspect ratio screen with a centered hole punch and OLED panel. This 21:9 screen was also available on Xperia 1. Further, there is not much information for this smartphone, so wait for the more information in coming days. Further, there is a new information regarding the next mid-range smartphone from Sony, which might come with a dual 5G network and Snapdragon 765 chipset. This phone is mentioned as Sony Xperia 6, but it could be more affordable 5G device from Sony, also named as K8220 on Geekbench. Incoming mid-range Xperia offering will pack a 8GB of RAM and run Android 10 OS out of the box. Well, it will launch in CES 2020 or along with the next flagship Xperia 2020. Moreover, there is also rumor about the 6-sensor smartphone from Sony, named as Xperia Zero and being flagship. Sony is working for this and will support 5G network, also will be released next year. Further, it will support a 90Hz refresh rate and 4K resolution. So let me know your thoughts about the Sony Xperia rumors in the comment box. I will see you on tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the smartphones, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Hamashkar from Hashtag.